In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate through Hostinger's platform to create a new MySQL database and user. So if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First, we will head over to the Hostinger control panel. So open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Hostinger's hPanel. Once there, it's time to log in. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to the home page, which acts as a centralized hub for all your website management needs. Our next step is to locate the Websites section. Look for the Websites button and click on it. This will take you to a page where all your hosted websites are listed, offering easy access to manage each one of them individually. Now, we want to access the dashboard for the website you're working on. So find that website on your list and click on its accompanying dashboard button. This will allow you to manage various aspects of your site. From the dashboard, our next destination is the Databases section. You'll find a Databases button somewhere on the left side menu of the dashboard. Click on it and you'll see several options regarding database management. Here, we need to navigate to the Management section. By clicking on Management, you're opening up the settings related to the databases, where you can view all the existing databases as well as their operational details. Now it's time to select the MySQL database name. This link will open up further options tailored to the specific database, including configurations and user management tools. With the database selected, let's click on the MySQL username. This is a crucial step as it brings up options to manage the user accounts associated with your MySQL database. This environment allows you to set permissions and manage access. Next, locate the password field. Here, you'll have the option to either set or update the password for your MySQL user. This ensures that your database access remains secure and that only authorized users can make changes. Finally, it's time to click on the Create button. Doing so not only creates the new database, but also associates it with the user account you have just set up, complete with username and password. Now your new MySQL database is ready to use, and you have full control over access and management. And that wraps up our guide on creating a MySQL database with Hostinger. Following these steps should help you manage your databases effortlessly, ensuring smooth operation for your online projects. Thanks for watching and keep exploring.